Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Trello time estimates with Power UPS detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Trello time estimates using Power UPS, start by opening your Trello board. Locate the Show menu button on the right side of your screen and click on it. In the menu, find the Power UPS option and select it. You will see a list of available Power UPS. Use the search bar at the top to look for time tracking or time estimates. Click on the desired power-up to view more details. Next, click the Add button to enable the power-up for your board. After the power-up is added, go back to your board. You should now see a new option related to time estimates on your cards. Open one of your cards to explore the new features. You may need to configure the power-up settings to suit your needs. Look for any instructional prompts or settings menus linked to the power-up. You can now add time estimates to your tasks as needed. Fill in the estimated time for each card using the designated input areas. Once you've added estimates, use this information for better project management. If required, revisit the power-up settings to explore additional features. After setting everything up, monitor your progress and adjust estimates as necessary. Keep utilizing the time estimates to enhance your workflow efficiency on Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.